Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about some quick tricks on array, right? So in this video we are going to discuss about how to return a particular value from an array, and also it will delete from the array. Means I will print the particular value from an associative array and also remove at the same time. Okay, so how can I do this? So suppose my array is like that, okay, student. Now I want to display the age of the student and I want to remove the age from that student array, right? So how we can do this? With a simple functions. So to use array related function, we can use the array helper. So to access array helper, you need illuminate support array. Just include that in your controller, and simply to use that thing, suppose I just using the pull function. Okay, so the pull function is responsible to all of this. Okay, so using that things, it will actually fetch the particular things which I want to get, and also it will remove that from that array. So let's see. So simply just pass the array name. Suppose my array name is student and I want to display the value of age. Okay, so taking this into a variable, suppose age equal to something. Okay, and just echo this and simply write, so this is the age. Okay, now if you just refresh this, we are getting the age. Now if you check that things, if you check the student array after the pull function, so simply write print r and just pass the student array. So inside the student array we have a name, email, age, mobile, but I pull the age from that array. Now if you check, you are getting there is no age. So first of all, these are printing, that is the age. We are getting the value using the pull function. Also we are removing that from this associative array. So simply with the same function we can do these type of things. Okay, so these are the cool things. Hope you can understand this, and if you have any queries about this video, please comment in the below comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel for upcoming video. We will come with more video like this. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.